Every organ in the human body is important, including the respiratory tract. The respiratory system exchanges gases and supplies oxygen, essential for survival, through the bronchi and bronchioles, which carry gases to and from the lungs. Irritation and inflammation of the bronchi can lead to bronchitis. Here, we offer detailed information on preventing and managing bronchitis. What is bronchitis? Bronchitis is the inflammation of the bronchial tubes, which move air to and from the lungs. The bronchi are the main airways branching off the trachea and leading to smaller airways called bronchioles. Inflammation causes these tubes to swell and produce thick mucus, which can be yellow or gray. Home remedies for bronchitis. Home remedies are one of the best and safest options for bronchitis prevention. Bronchitis is one such disease that has symptoms similar to a cold. Home ingredients that possess anti-inflammatory and healing properties can be an excellent remedy for bronchitis. Here are a few home remedies for the treatment of bronchitis. 1. Ginger. It is a traditional medicine that has numerous health benefits. As the name suggests, bronchitis is the inflammation of the bronchioles, and ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. How to use: eat raw ginger as it is or add it to the foods, use ginger tea, or chew the dried crystallized ginger. Ginger food supplements are also available in the market. 2. Garlic. It possesses antibacterial and antiviral properties. It inhibits the growth of the bronchitis virus and promotes the healing process. Garlic is a natural remedy for bronchitis. How to use: 1 or 2 cloves of garlic can be chewed in the morning, but few people do not like its taste. Garlic is also available in capsule form. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is the best option for bronchitis prevention. This household ingredient has an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant property that enhances healing in bronchitis. How to use: mix half a spoon of turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of honey and make a smooth paste. Consume the paste twice or thrice daily. A pinch of turmeric can also be added to the tea. 4. Steam. Take a hot water bath or shower. The warmth breaks the mucus and helps in easy expulsion. Take a deep breath to allow hot air to reach your lungs. How to use: take hot water in a bowl and cover your face with a towel. Inhale the steam as it helps in keeping mucus. The addition of Vicks and volatile oils eases congestion. Be attentive while taking a hot water bath, as you can end up hurting your airways with steam. Relaxing in a hot water bath helps in relaxing muscles and relieves aches and pains. 5. Salt water. Salt water is the best remedy for bronchitis prevention. The chest congestion in bronchitis is due to the excess production of mucus due to inflammation. Salt water is an excellent home remedy for relieving symptoms of bronchitis. The sore throat associated with bronchitis can be treated by gargling with salt water. How to use: add 1 teaspoon of salt to a glass of warm water and gargle it as often as possible. It is preferable to gargle on an empty stomach. Wash your mouth with plain water. 6. Hydration and sleep. In addition to medications and nutrients, hydration and sleep are equally important. Drink lots of water to keep you hydrated and expel toxins from the body. A hydrated body has better efficiency in fighting infections. In people suffering from bronchitis, both chronic and acute, coughing causes excessive sleep disturbance. Try to get plenty of sleep as rest allows your body to repair and fight back. 7. Healthy lifestyle. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables, doing regular exercise, and improving immunity are the main elements to maintain health and vitality. It helps in preventing diseases and combat infections. Besides, immune stimulants help in easy recovery. Bronchitis prevention. Bronchitis is a breathing condition caused by various factors, including smoking, environmental pollution, and occupational exposure.